Hello, in this video I will show you how to make a copy of a page that is made with WPBakery Page Builder. First you need to edit the page and then switch to classic mode. This will bring up the classic WordPress editor. Select text to ensure that you copy everything that is in the page. Select all and copy the page. Now add the new and go to the content area and paste what you copied before. Now switch to backend editor. You will notice that everything is copied and in the same place it was on the original page. You only need to give a title and save the page. Thanks for watching.